The ashes of World War II were still settling. The year was 1945. The world, however, found little peace. Instead, a new conflict emerged from the ruins, the Cold War. The United States and the Soviet Union, recent allies against fascism, now stood as rivals on the global stage. This rivalry was not confined to Earth. It extended beyond the sky into the cosmos. Both superpowers recognized the strategic importance of space. Control of the high ground, even in the vacuum of space, promised unparalleled military and technological advantages. This competition, however, also ignited a different kind of fire, a fire of innovation, discovery, and exploration. It was in this crucible of geopolitical tension that humanity's journey beyond Earth would truly begin. The dream of space travel, once confined to science fiction, was about to become a reality. At the heart of this new space race were two brilliant driven engineers, Sergei Korolev of the Soviet Union and Wernher von Braun of the United States. Both men shared a passion for rocketry and a vision of humanity's future among the stars. Their paths, however, were forged in the fires of war. Korolev, a visionary from a young age, endured imprisonment and hardship under Stalin's regime. His brilliance, however, could not be ignored. He rose to become the chief designer of the Soviet space program. Von Braun, a prodigy in his own right, developed his expertise in rocketry while serving Nazi Germany. After the war, he and his team surrendered to the Americans. Von Braun saw an opportunity to advance his research and contribute to a new frontier, far removed from the horrors of war. The challenges facing both Korolev and von Braun were immense. Escaping Earth's gravitational pull was a feat never before accomplished. It demanded radical innovation in rocket propulsion, material science, and guidance systems. The rockets they envisioned needed to be powerful enough to overcome Earth's gravity. They also had to be reliable enough to carry delicate instruments and, eventually, human beings. Every launch was a gamble, a leap into the unknown. The stakes were high. Failure meant not only a setback in the space race, but also a potential loss of life and national prestige. Despite the pressure, both Korolev and von Braun persevered, pushing the boundaries of what was considered possible. On October 4th, 1957, the world held its breath. From the steppes of Kazakhstan, a shiny metal sphere no larger than a beach ball hurtled into the night sky. Its name was Sputnik 1, and it carried with it the hopes and dreams of the Soviet Union. Sputnik, Russian for fellow traveler, was a simple satellite. It carried only a radio transmitter and 4 antennas, yet its impact was anything but simple. As it circled the Earth, emitting its now iconic beep, 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 Sputnik announced the dawn of a new era, the space age. The world was captivated. For the first time in history, a human-made object had escaped Earth's gravity and entered orbit. The impossible had become possible. For many, it was a moment of awe and wonder. The launch of Sputnik sent shockwaves through the United States. The Soviet Union, once perceived as technologically inferior, had beaten America to space. The event ignited a fierce competition known as the space race. The American public was caught off guard. Schools scrambled to improve science and math education. The government poured resources into research and development. NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, was founded in 1958. Its mission to surpass the Soviets in space. The space race became a tangible symbol of the Cold War rivalry. Every launch, every mission was viewed through the lens of national pride and technological superiority. The world watched, captivated by the drama unfolding high above. The Soviet Union, emboldened by Sputnik's success, continued to achieve milestones. On April 12, 1961, Yuri Gagarin, a young Soviet cosmonaut, became the first human to journey into space. Aboard the Vostok 1 spacecraft, Gagarin completed a single orbit of Earth. His flight, lasting just 108 minutes, was a testament to human courage and ingenuity. "I see Earth! It is so beautiful!" Gagarin exclaimed, his words echoing across the globe. Gagarin's flight was a watershed moment. It demonstrated that space travel was not just possible, but also safe enough for humans. The event further fueled the space race, pushing the United States to set even more ambitious goals. The launch of Sputnik 1 and Yuri Gagarin's historic flight marked the beginning of a new era of exploration and discovery. These early triumphs spurred technological innovation that continues to this day. Satellites, now commonplace, have revolutionized communication, navigation, and our understanding of Earth. The International Space Station stands as a testament to international cooperation in the pursuit of scientific knowledge. Most importantly, the spirit of exploration ignited by the first spacecraft continues to inspire. Humans have walked on the Moon, rovers have explored Mars, and telescopes have revealed the wonders of the distant universe. The journey beyond Earth, once a distant dream, is now an integral part of our collective story. The legacy of Korolev, von Braun, and the countless engineers, scientists, and dreamers who made space travel a reality is immense. Their work reminds us that, even in the darkest of times, human ingenuity, driven by curiosity and a thirst for knowledge, can achieve the extraordinary. The first spacecraft were not just technological marvels, they were symbols of hope, ambition, and the boundless potential of the human spirit.